Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of clear up your iPhone storage. So go to the settings here and you're going to select general, which is this one if you didn't see that. Go to iPhone storage first to see how many space you have left. I do have some because I do use iCloud. I do recommend you using that if your iPhone storage isn't much like me. Just going to wait for it to calculate a little bit to see like the apps that I don't really use, I guess. But let's just go back actually because that's going to take a long time to load. Let's go to Safari. Let's scroll down and let's clear cache. So you're going to select clear history and website data, and you're going to select clear history and website data to offload some of that storage, I guess. You're also going to go to the, where's camera? Is it done? Hold on, where is it? iPhone storage, okay. And if you scroll down, you'll see like the apps you don't use here. So I don't use, let's see, I use a lot of these apps actually. Last used yesterday. Some of them I don't like have it loaded. For instance, this one, you can offload app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it will have the data, or you can just delete it to clear more storage. And that is pretty much what you can do. Also, I forgot to tell you one last thing. Where is camera? You can go to camera here and you can go to format and make sure you select high efficiency to reduce file size. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!